Hello everybody, so today we are gonna look at this tool called spiderfoot. So this is a recon tool. So let's begin. Uh, Let me open up my terminal. Now let's zoom a little bit. Let's do full screen. Then for Debian, you can do apt search for foot, a spider foot spider foot, right? So if you do that, that would show you this tool. Now, in my case, so I need to do uh, Pacman the search for spider foot. Now that should yes. Now let's install it. Let's do sudo. Then let's do yes. Then let's do enter. So it install this packages. So let's do enter. Now we have successfully installed it. Now let's do open up a debug session and let's do spider foot. Let's do enter. This tool is easy to use. Basically you need dash L option, and then what you need is your IP address of your local machine, right? Then it would be 65. Then we have port numbers, so that would be 444. You can use whichever port you want. So for this, I'm just gonna do a 444. So let's do enter. That should start the spider foot. Now we can use this link to open on the browser. So open a link. So if we just do open, right? So I have the what we call that already started it. So let me just delete this first. Let me select it, right? So let me just show you through the let's go on the new scan. Here you need to give a session name. So I'm just gonna do test. So I'm just gonna test on this one view and one way .com. So this is vulnerable site from the Aquinetics. So this is free, you can test it. So I'm just gonna use this option called footprint. So if we do all option, right, so this might take the very slow compared to this. So this is result as first, and there is that in which investigated. So and we have the passive option too. So I'm just gonna do footprint. So let me just run the scan. So our scan has been starting, right? If the scan is still running on this section, it will update shortly. So if we go on the terminal, right? So it has started it. So now we have domain name, internet name. So if we do add the correlation, so it is still scanning. If we go on the browser, so we have country name, domain name, and internet name. So it should show here. And this is our graph. So this is our onehub.com. So if we compromise this, when we, what's this IP? So it's from United States, right? So so this is a graph view, and let's go on the scan. So that's our setting. So it's running. So let's go Up. So here, you have to wait for the scan to just complete it. So we have the affiliated internet name. So country name, DNS, SVF record, DNX text record, domain name, internet name, name server, right? And if we just go on the graph, here we should see the connection. So if we do force layout, so it is still increasing. So we have this DNS. If we compromise one of those DNS, then we should get an access to warnhop.com. So it's connected to there. Now, if we go on the new scan and come on the scan again, so here you have the option to just stop it, right? So here first you need to select this. So I don't need now this right now, so I just want to stop it. Okay, and if we go on the test, right? So here we have the browser, and so that's just how it is. So let me just delete it. I don't need it. So this is for the demo. So you can delete it like this, or you can download the record. So if we go on the I think JSON would be nice. And let me just download on the Excel. So that is how you do it. So you can do over here also, delete this guy. Now, so I hope this might be helpful tool. So thank you guys.